Hi everyone, and welcome back to the next diecast. For today's video, I'll be unboxing this 1/18 scale BMW 325i convertible made by Maisto. I found it off eBay for around $31, including shipping and everything too, so I thought it was a pretty good deal considering it's been out of production for quite some time. So we'll go ahead and open it up. There it is. It appears to have some paper inside here. But I bought this because of that feature right there. Really cool feature. There's a top up in there. I'll open up the box next, get the car out with this paper and stuff. There's the car. Just gotta pull it out. There, I got the car out. Wow, this looks really cool. Can't wait to try out this roof too. It's actually made of real like fabric or something. Super cool. Oh look, here's a instruction manual. All right, we'll take this off the base next. All right, here it is off the base. Just gotta take off these couple of straps on here. And here's our model, the BMW 325i. See if I can get this top to work. So what you guys just saw was the first time I operated the roof on this car, so that's why it was a little bit cut off and slow and stuff. But I'll definitely be filming a full-on roof demo of this car for my next video, where I'll be doing a review of this model. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'm really excited to be doing a review on this model next. Thanks for watching.